Today we will be learning about the procedure how to do lumbar puncture. आज हम lumbar puncture सीखने वाले हैं and this is the tertiary care center hospital in Delhi and we are going to do lumbar puncture for this patient. The history of this patient is he is 75-year-old male and he had massive pleural effusion for which pleural tapping was done from the back side and the sample revealed on analysis that it was tubercular pleural effusion and the patient was started on ATT and since 2 to 3 days this patient is having dull and drowsy status and he is not responding to command, so we are suspecting some pathology like tubercular meningitis. So for this, to rule out the tubercular meningitis or for the diagnosis of tubercular meningitis, we are doing lumbar puncture. Also 3 or to 4 more indications are there. If there is subarachnoid hemorrhage, to rule out this, and if there is pseudotumor cerebri, and one more thing for Guillain-Barré syndrome. So these 3-4 conditions: tubercular meningitis, Guillain-Barré syndrome, and this pseudotumor cerebri and subarachnoid hemorrhage. In these 4 to 5 conditions, we do the lumbar puncture. We draw out the cerebrospinal fluid and we send for the analysis, in which we do cell count, TLC, DLC, sugar, protein and ADA. If ADA is raised, then it is indicating towards the diagnosis of tubercular meningitis. So हम लंबर पंक्चर करेंगे. सेरेब्रोस्पाइनल फ्लूइड जो कि रीढ़ की हड्डी का पानी है, इसे हम निकालते हैं और इसके जांच के लिए भेजते हैं. इसको 4 तरीके की डायग्नोसिस के लिए किया जा सकता है. पहला, यदि टीबी जो है दिमाग के पानी में, रीढ़ की हड्डी के पानी में टीबी का बैक्टीरिया फैल गया तो उसकी जांच के लिए, जिसके कारण से पेशेंट का मेंटल स्टेटस डल एंड ड्राउजी हो जाता है, पेशेंट हमारे निर्देशों को कमांड फॉलो नहीं करता है. दूसरा, एक बीमारी होती है जिसे हम गुलेन-बारी सिंड्रोम कहते हैं, उसके केस में भी हम CSF एनालिसिस करते हैं. तीसरा एक होता है स्यूडोटूमर सेरेब्री और चौथा होता है सबरेक्नॉइड हेमरेज. जिस स्थान में सबरेक्नॉइड हेमरेज जिसको हम बोलते हैं CSF फ्लो होता है, वहाँ पे करते हैं. The point, the space will be L4, L5 lumbar space or above this, one space above this. थोड़ा सा करो, ये पैर आगे करो. We have to do in right lateral position or sitting position. We also can do. Here is the iliac crest. Uncle, let us see this. Here is the iliac crest, or here is the fourth L4, L5. So here we can do. Mark this. And now, pause कर. Yeah. So before starting the procedure, the first step is to sterilize your hand. Wash cleanly your hand up till here. So I have cleaned my hand and sterilized this up till here. Now I will wear the gloves. The sterile gloves you have to wear. Then this is the lumbar puncture set. So as you can see in this tray, this is the draping sheet. इसी को बनाना पड़ेगा, उसको निकालना. We have to use the povidone iodine at the area of the procedure. So we will sponge. डालो जल्दी से डालो. The sponge holding चालू है. This is the sponge holding forceps and this is the wash piece, and properly soaking into this, we will clean the area from central to periphery. वो डाल दो. From central to periphery, we will clean the area like this. एक बार और करेंगे. हाँ करो. After proper cleaning, one more time. center to periphery. So from center to periphery we have cleaned this. Now we will grab the area. बस ज़्यादा मत करो, जितना हो पारो उतनी करो. ठीक है, ग्रैब कर रहा हूँ. So as you can see, like this much area should be exposed, and from here, Dignocaine डालना ठीक है. From here to here, the area we can palpate as L4, L5, or the space one space above it. Now the next step, we will anesthetize this area with 5 ml syringe and 1%, 2%, 1 or 2% lignocaine. So this is the space, this is iliac crest, and one palm above this is the fourth L4, L5 vertebra space. You have to palpate the space. So first subcutaneously. So you have to push and push back. Insert. Then बाहर पीछे खींच करके देखना नीडल को कि कहीं आप वास्कुलर स्पेस में तो नहीं है. Like this. Watch please. So now we have inserted the 2% lignocaine. लंबा पंच चाहिए. So this is the lumbar puncture needle. We will go perpendicular to this same space where we anesthetize it, and you have to hold it like this. आपको ऐसे पकड़ के रखना है ऐसे, और ऐसे vertically अंदर जाना है.
അനുചേച്ചി ശരിയേ ഉള്ളൂ. കിട്ടി ഞാൻ തല അടിച്ചു മുട്ടി.
गॉड पीस है ना, गॉड पीस।
ഇതുണ്ടല്ലോ ഇത് ചേച്ചി നോക്കി കാണാൻ
एक बार लिखना कैन नॉट देना एक स्क्रीन में। पॉज कर दे पॉज।
क्या वैसा है
ठीक है, so as you can see by inserting slowly go in then push back, go in then push back, and this way the CSF will start coming down louder. And now we will collect the samples.
सब क्या क्या वैसा
कंटिन्यू किया ना वहीं से, अरे सब लिखा हुआ तो था। So now we are collecting the samples, सब निकालो। AD है, तो हम ये सारे सैंपल्स कलेक्ट करेंगे। खोल के दो मुझे। ADA, sugar, protein, all these things. So you can see there is clear fluid, there is no turbidity, the fluid is very clear and it comes very slowly. So this is we are collecting for the extra sample, so this we will collect later. First of all we will take the samples for total leukocyte count, differential count, cell count and मेरे साइड पे दिखाओ इधर दोनों को एक साथ। So we will be collecting the samples। हाँ लेंगे ना, पहले इसको तो देखो कौन कौन से लिखे हैं। So we do CSF ADA, CSF cell count, differential count and protein and glucose। क्या हो गया? कहाँ बुला रहे थे? हाँ यार अब तो कैसे मैम मना कर रहे थे? नहीं वो पूछा मैंने तो बोला कर लो। हाँ। So now we will discuss about the complication. The post-puncture headache. Headache is the complication. Sometimes it comes as dry tap. So according to the status of the patient, you need to hydrate also. Sometimes when you are suspicious that dry tap can come. So this way we will take the samples and we will send for the analysis, and accordingly the diagnosis will be made. So as you can see, bring close. This fluid is clear, no turbidity at all. Clear, watery like looking transparent fluid, as you can see closely. अगली ट्यूब दो, अगली ट्यूब दो, खोल के। So one by one you collect the samples like this. So I will revise the procedure. First of all you will palpate the area, make the position of the patient right lateral. हम patient को right lateral position में लेते हैं। एरिया को हम यहाँ से यहाँ तक palpate करते हैं, locate करते हैं from iliac crest to the L4 L5 space or one space above it. Then the second step is you wash your hands and wear the sterile gloves. Third step is you clean the area central to periphery 2 or 3 times. Then fourth step is then you drape like this using the sheet which is having aperture or the hole in between to expose the limited area so that the surrounding infection does not come here. Now the next step is you anesthetize the subcutaneous area and slowly you go into the space, pull back, go, pull back, and see you are not into the vascular space. As you move inside and push and pull back so that the blood does not come out and you ensure that you are not into the vascular space. Now after properly anesthetizing wait for 1 to 2 minutes, then you use the lumbar puncture needle and slowly go inside the space. You go inside the space and pull back, go inside the space and pull back, and see if there is fluid coming out. So slowly at one point the full fluid will be coming out like this, and you will start taking sample. This is very simple procedure. Just the only trick is you need to find the space. Okay, give the other. And usually after the procedure you give the IV fluid to the patient if there is no contraindication. And the most common the very common scene the after effect of the lumbar puncture is post puncture spinal headache, sorry, headache. So this way, this is the procedure. Hope you have learned it. So please, अच्छा लगा हो तो लाइक कीजिए दोस्तों, शेयर कीजिए, सब्सक्राइब कीजिए और अच्छे से पढ़ते रहिए। एक दिन आप भी पीजी में सेलेक्ट होकर के ये प्रोसीजर करते हुए फिर वीडियो बनाइए। ओके गाइस, सी या, टेक केयर।